Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign up in KakaoTalk. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the KakaoTalk app on your phone. And after you open it, what you need to do is write down your email address or phone number. And then write down your password and click sign up. If you already have your account, you can just write down your password, your email address and click login, or else if you want to sign up, just go ahead and follow this rule. Go ahead and write down your email address, then go ahead and set up a password for yourself. You can click on the I icon right beside password and check your password and click sign up. As soon as you click on sign up, you can go ahead and click on agree and continue, or else just go ahead and click on this tick marks over here and click agree and continue. Go ahead and click on OK to allow access to your phone to autofill phone numbers. Click allow to make phone calls. So you can see that your phone number will be over here. Go ahead and write down your phone number. If this isn't, choose your country code and click OK. Go ahead and click on OK because a verification code will be sent to your phone. Go ahead and click on send verification message. So what you need to do is go to messages and then you must send a message. So just go ahead and send the message from here. So you can see that the numbers should be correct. Click on check verification and click confirm. So after the verification is complete, you can easily sign up for KakaoTalk. So if this process is taking some time, try to reload the page and you can easily change your number later as well. So you can read this to verify your identity, send the automatic text messages shown in the following screen. So you can just go ahead and copy this message as well and send the verification message. So check this out. Go ahead and click on just once in the message icon and you can continue with Google Messages as well. So you can see this message. You can text the message to this person or this site, and then you can easily log in or sign up for KakaoTalk. So the process is simple and easy. All you need to do is complete your verification and then you can sign up. I hope this video about how you can sign up to KakaoTalk or KakaoTalk was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.